really fun.
We'll spring mum, didn't we?
Yeah. That's what
Told you, didn't I?
On the train. On Sparkle. I'll go backwards.
Yeah, try and film
I
it
went
with the
from
screen.
here.
Don't drop your phone though.
I'm not. I'm holding
Hey,
it.
look.
I'm holding my phone. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. It's only 40 seconds. It's only been 40 seconds. My fans are gonna love this video. You guys are gonna hold on a minute. I'm turning. And tomorrow I'm gonna caves. By the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget. Seems like it's a perfect video. We won't do one like this for ages.
Like green light.
There's another train down there.
Oh yeah, there's another train.
Dad, there's a buggy in the back of one of them. Like luggage and stuff at the bottom there, Dad. The train was...
Oh god. Oh, it's
It's good, isn't it? Oh.
yeah.
The red train.
Well, how do they actually make these? It's really cool. It's my first time being on one of these. Especially on a Webkinz. When you're trying to hold all this weight.
Seen it though.
Oh my god, we're going under the tunnel, guys.
Oh yeah.
Look at the tunnel. Dad, my fans are gonna love this, my Webkinz fans. Yay. Oh, look at it here, look at it here. Get into the tunnel. It's like the real train. That's it. Oh, go, go. Yeah. I made a little baby cry because there was a web. That's funny. Oh god. Oh god.
Dad, will we come back this way?
Yeah.
Oh, you filming me and I'm filming my Webkinz. Look, just in on the seat. I'm holding up my iPhone. Still see in the camera. Let's see for more. Oh, here we go, here we go. Oh, no, it's shorter than that one. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's one.
Told you it goes through the woods, didn't it?
Yeah.
Neil? Said it was in the woods. You have to take some map.
Oh, wow. There's a seat there, but I didn't see the seat.
Dad, can we spend most of the day
sit
here
backwards.
looking around? Dad, we know where that train station is. Look at the wheel.
Just gonna hope.
Dad,
Oh yeah.
knows?
Staying on?
Stay on. I want to film. No,
We're staying on, I think.
stay on. I want to carry on with my
I
video.
don't know, darling.
Don't tell her. No.
No, we're staying on, darling.
This is only all the way around.
I've got the ticket.
Tickets
Okay,
are there.
lovely. Thank you very much.
That was really fun. I think I was going off the train. I'm just going to hide a phone there. We're gonna start again soon. This is so exciting. It's my first video outside of home. Dad, can I put this on YouTube later?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say put this on YouTube. True.
Daddy, it's £1.50 each. £1.50, £3, £4.50.
Look out for the crocodile when we go down there as well.
Crocodile.
Dad.
It's on this side.
There's a crocodile. They're not getting wet. I'll get a train from the other way or something. There's a swamp down there. You just found a train. It's really fun. That's crocodile. That's good. So what? How?
The lights are on red, that means the train's just literally past it.
Is it on?
Where we came, Dad?
There's a train. And a red train. Balance.
Is it a boat hole? This side.
That's the helicopter air ambulance. Dad, that's the
Yeah, is it?
ambulance for
That's really weird.
thingy.